Hello everyone, so in this video, we're gonna be reviewing FragranceNet, or they're called now Fragrance X. This website offers a lot of cheap fragrances like colognes or perfumes, and as you can see, if you scroll down here, these are the best sellers. So they have a lot of the famous fragrances that people buy. However, they do come at a very cheap price, such as right here. It says 600 PHP. For reference in dollars, 600 PHP is about $10. So if you actually search this, Bright Crystal by Versace, if you search this right here, it is actually 8,000 or 7,000, which is roughly about $200 in US standards. So uh, it is sort of too good to be true since it's very cheap. You may ask if it is fake. So I actually found a Reddit post right here. Someone asked, "Experience with FragranceNet? Is this website a scam?" So uh, one user said that they have a lot of issues with them over the years. They've got some okay fragrances that were not damaged, some fairly fresh, but I've gotten a lot of frags that were old, smelled off soon after I bought them. So we're not really sure if it's fake or not a scam or something. So another user said, "I've been a customer for several years, no problems until recently. So learned the hard way. Most fragrances, if not bought from the retailer, are fake." So it's sort of a hit or miss with this website. So you should try it at your own risk. However, I do advise not buying from this since it is too good to be true. It is very cheap. It's most likely to be fake or damaged products that are not for retail. So buy at your own risk. So yeah, that is the review on Fragrance X or Fragrance Net. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.